Hello web builders, I'm Farid and today I'll show you how you can have a website up and running in just 1 minute. Alright, let's go. All you need to do is go to siteground.com, then you need to click on get started under web hosting. Now I recommend you choose startup plan if you just want to make one website, or you can choose grow big plan if you want to make unlimited number of websites using just one hosting plan. And one thing to note, they both have 30-day money back guarantee, so if you don't like them, just get your money back. Now you need to register a domain and name for your website. I just chose this random name right here. Click on proceed after you chose your name, and now you need to input all of your billing information. And when you inputted it, under period you need to choose 12 months best deal. Very important. I've included a link in the description below, and if you use that link you'll get a 60% off, as you can see right here. So use that link while the discount is not expired. Now all you need to do is click on I confirm and then pay now, and you are set. Now all you need to do is download a WordPress on your website, and this is just an example of how your website can look if you just invest a few more minutes and watch my other videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.